Kingsley Kanunta Kanu, the younger brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in an ex-post as reshared by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, the coordinating lawyer for the detained Biafra Republic agitation leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has given reasons why his elder brother had continued to defend himself on the ground of no case submission, saying, "The federal government of Nigeria, who made the accusations and filed the terrorism charges against the Biafra leader, has not been able to pinpoint any aspect of the Nigeria laws that should warrant his brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to enter defense, citing several court rulings that invalidated the federal government accusations against the detained Biafra leader." This, Kingsley Kanunta Kanu stated in reaction to the commentary of Doctor Sam Amadi, published on ThisDay newspaper, after the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, on Monday, abandoned his earlier plan to call witnesses in his ongoing trial before the Federal High Court in Abuja. Nnamdi Kanu, who is being prosecuted on 7 counts of terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government, last Friday, had prayed the court for an adjournment after informing the trial judge, Justice James Omotosho, that his former legal team, led by a former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Chief Kanu Agabi, San, had yet to release his case file to him. Though Nnamdi Kanu had earlier expressed his readiness to open his defense in a written application to the court, in which he indicated his intention to call witnesses and requested the issuance of witness summons, but, at the resumed hearing on Monday, Kanu told the court that upon reviewing the case file, he had concluded that there was no valid charge against him. Nnamdi Kanu argued that since he believed the charges were unlawful and that the prosecution had failed to establish any case, there was no need for him to proceed with his defense. According to Punch newspaper, the trial judge, Justice James Omotosho, directed Kanu to file a written address formally stating his position and to serve the prosecution accordingly. Justice Omotosho further advised the IPOB leader to consult experts in criminal law to understand the possible legal implications of his decision. The judge thereafter adjourned the case to November 4, 5, and 6 for the adoption of final written addresses, based either on Kanu's position that no case had been established against him or for him to proceed with his defense if he decides otherwise. Kingsley Kanunta Kanu's statement as recirculated by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor on Thursday, tagged, "Legal Rejoinder," to the misleading commentary by Doctor Sam Amadi,